Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I am at the beautiful Secrets Playa Mujeres, and we're going to tour a junior suite preferred club ocean view. So as soon as you walk in the door here, one of the great features that I absolutely love is this pass-through. So you can order room service, and essentially they'll deliver it from the outside. It's lock and key out there, and then when you're ready to access it, you just open it up right there. It's a great feature, and I remember staying at some Mexican resorts with my grandparents when I was a young kid, and they had that, and I thought it was the absolute coolest thing ever, and still absolutely love that. So you don't have to have that handoff at all. Now right here when you walk in, you've got your bottle opener, which goes along with your fully stocked minibar. I'm going to talk about several of the different privileges that you get with the preferred club, and the first one is that you have an upgraded minibar, and you can have that replenished as often as you like. You've got your Nespresso maker, they'll once again replenish those whenever you like as well, and then the ice will just keep coming. Just to the left here, you've got a great place to put your bag to unpack, and I'm going to take you right into the bathroom. So just inside the bathroom to my right here, you've got the toilet. Just in here, you've got the shower. It's got the nice shower wand, the nice full rainforest shower head, and then I also like that you've got the little step there that you can sit on and soak, or of course put your leg up to shave. You've got a true double vanity. As an adults only resort here, primarily you're going to have a lot of couples or maybe a couple people traveling together, so having that double vanity is a really big advantage. You got your magnifying makeup mirror, lots of plugs all around. Another preferred club amenity is a highly upgraded bath amenity. So this is actually an entire pack of the bath amenities. They're full size. They give you everything currently from shampoo, hand sanitizer, mosquito repellent, all of those kind of things that you may want to have or you may have forgotten. They're going to have that in there for you. Now over here to your right, you've got the full jacuzzi soaking tub, and I did just want to point out that this opens up, this lever opens up, and so you can get that nice sunlight in here as well. So as we continue in, this is your storage area. Right now they also have all of your cutlery and espresso glasses and things like that if you want the setup, and then that'll just head right over there. You've got your full safe here. It is big enough for a small laptop, not for a large laptop. You've got an ironing board, and then they also have a steamer, a nice thing that I like. Storage up above, plenty of hanging storage, and then storage down here as well, where you can put things away completely. So here you can see that you have a full king size bed. Of course, you can order extra pillows if you want as well. You've got the beautiful canopy up above. And then on the side, you've got these nice little mats so that when they do the turn down service in the evening, they get it all set up for you. So when you step out of your bed, you're not right onto the floor. Now right here you have a clock that also functions as a charger. One thing I wanted to point out is they don't have any plugs on the side of the bed here, even USB. I always bring an extra battery backup. That way I can charge it during the day and I can charge my phone or whatever I need to in the evening. I did want to point out that right here you have the do not disturb and the makeup room signs. So you're going to push those, and those are going to correspond with a light outside so that the maid knows whether to make up or not. Now as we continue along to the other side of the bed, this side does have light controls as well. You've got a USB plug, and I really like that they have the temperature control right here next to the bed. I don't know if in the middle of the night, maybe you want to turn it down, have it a little bit cooler. It's great to be able to access that right there. Now on both sides, you're going to have these great reading lights so that you don't disturb your partner, and then you've got your remote right next to the bed as well. Now continuing over to the other side, this is a nice writing desk. Maybe you need to work a little bit. It's on vacation, so hopefully you don't have to, but this is perfect for that. I did want to point out this tablet. So every single room category is going to get one of these tablets. You can use it to access all the menus. You can even order room service. But one other great feature is that you actually can put, when you're ready to be done with the room service, you put your dishes back, you just notify them here as well. But this is going to be your one-stop shop, kind of replacing the program in a way where you can find out any of the information that you want from the resort and also communicate from here as well. You also have a US plug back here and then two USB chargers that go along with the tablet charging station. Now continuing along, this is the bigger difference with the junior suite is it's a little bit bigger area here. You do have a little bit of separation on this side either way, but it's really one big open space. You got a nice couch, an ottoman to put your feet up. It's also a great place to put that room service tray and have a nice breakfast. You also have a little table here as well for the same thing. A couple more US plugs. But what this is all about, of course, is the beautiful ocean views and the outdoor space as well. So let's head on out to the balcony. So one great feature to point out right away is that in addition to the sliding doors that open up to the outside, you also have this great screen. So if you want to close the screens and have that nice ocean breeze come through as well, you get to take advantage of that. Now out here, you've got your table, 2 chairs, and then of course the jacuzzi hot tub. That's one of those signatures of the Preferred Club. Now, in addition to this, you're also gonna have the wonderful Preferred Club lounges down on the beach, so you can take advantage of those complimentary bally beds. You have some spa amenities as well, like the hydrotherapy pool, and you also have that great check-in, check-out area and the Preferred Club lounge, which is one of the best bars on site anyways. So you can see why all of those upgrades add up to a really great option with this Preferred Club Junior Suite Ocean View. So if you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Secrets or any of the AM properties throughout Mexico or the Caribbean, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the space inside and out, and we know that we can help create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends and family at an incredible value.